Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by making a behavior pack because Bedrock does not expose a simple toggle. This is the only reliable method. Create a new folder in COM. Mojang/behavior packs, add manifest. JSON with 2 new UIDs and a version number, then add a pack icon. PNG. Once done, open your world settings and activate the behavior pack under behavior packs. Make sure to apply changes to the active world so the game loads your overrides immediately. Next, override the villager entity and trade tables inside the pack. In behavior packs, mirror the path for entities and loot tables from the vanilla structure. Create an entities/villager folder and paste a copy of the vanilla villager JSON, then remove or modify the trade rebalancing component and point trades to your custom trade table files. This forces Bedrock to use your definitions. Make sure file names and paths exactly match the references used by the entity JSON so nothing fails to load. Finally, enable the pack and test in-game. Spawn villagers of different professions and open trade screens to confirm rebalance is gone. If you see the original rebalance trades, reload the world, ensure your pack is active, and verify the entity path matches vanilla exactly. One key troubleshooting tip. If trades revert after an update, check manifest UUID collisions and JSON syntax errors. A single trailing comma or wrong UUID will cause the game to fall back to vanilla trade behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.